Hello, welcome to Accounting, Chapter 10-2, Work Together. I've recorded this is my third time now. The last time went really great. The only problem was it was too long. So I have to talk a little faster and work a little faster. Real quick, we went over the cash payments journal last chapter. This is very similar. Cash payment journal, you only recorded when you paid cash. Here, you record every transaction when you receive cash. Your source documents are a receipt or a terminal summary. That's like where you scan your goods, and then you cash register. And it's a terminal summary or it's a receipt. Okay, when you receive money on account, you should be using this accounts receivable right here and credit or debiting cash. Sorry, I spoke. Okay, looking at the first instruction, receive cash on account from Oakley Company. You need to know who you received the money from so they don't owe you anymore. $371. Receipt 144. Okay, so here, 300, did I say 371? Yep. Okay, here is your cash register. You had sales of $61.60. You collected from your customers $501.70 for tax, and your total cash register came up with $8,863.30. Sometimes this might be off because your person that working your register messed up, but we're not going to worry about that right now. Okay, now here we received cash from a customer, but we gave them a 2% discount because they paid within 10 days, 2, 10, and 30. 2% discount if paid within 10 days, the net is due within 30. 2, 10, and 30. So they got a 2%, but the whole amount was $5,989. If we take $5,989 times 0.02, we get $119.78. You take this amount, you minus the discount you're giving them, they sent you a check for $5,869.22. At least you hope it comes up to that. You do your totals because it tells you to total your journal. $15,103.52. Okay, then you would go through and you put these numbers where they belong and make certain they equal. You can do that. The next step, it tells you to prove your journal. And it's giving you some information. Cash at the beginning of the month. It says cash account balance in the general ledger was on October 1st. That's the beginning of the month, right? Then it says plus total cash received during the month. Well, this number right here represents the total amount of cash that we received during the month. 15,103.52. See, I should have copied and pasted. I've been faster. Go back to the, oops. Equals. So what are you doing? Plus. So you're adding plus. And you get $26,868.48. Less the total paid during the month. Go to your instructions, amount paid during the month, cash payment journal, cash credit, it's the amount that you pay. Less, so you're subtracting, do your math. Oops. I want to put a comma in there. And does that equal the amount on the next unused check stub? There we go. Now, I didn't do this. I cut it out to save time. Now, every time you do these, I want you to do them, then check your answers, then look at the explanation if you missed some. I want to make certain that you're doing that so that when you go to your practice, you're getting it right. You're not lost as to where you're messing up. If you take and skip it, I've caught my students going down so that they can see the explanation. They're not really testing themselves to know whether they're getting it right or wrong. So I hope you're not doing that. I hope you're doing the problem, then you're checking it. Okay, now you need to do on your own. You can do this, and then do the application. Keep working hard. Have a great day. Bye.